Alright guys, I cut this up into two-part video because we've been doing so much riding today. We picked up another H2, so now we have 5 H2s. A bunch of bikes. I mean, we still got the S1000, the R1, the Aprilia. Picked up another S1000. We picked up a Hayabusa, which I don't know. Yeah, it's over here. I can only think that there's going to be a ton of racing. Hayabusa. It's been a long day, but I think that is all about to pay off right now. I don't know who I'm going to be lining up with. I mean, I have the slowest H2 probably here, power-wise. But I'm going to try anybody. Should be a good time. We're about to head out to the spot. I'll turn the camera back on when we get out there. Alright guys, we are on the way out to the spot, rolling deep. I don't even know how many bikes we have. We've maybe 15 bikes here. Everything's fast. Yeah, a third of them are H2s. I mean, most of them are stretched and over 300 horsepower. I think the only one that's not, 5UP's H2 up there is the same setup as mine but stretched. So he's the only one that's like even close to my power level. Hayabusa there supposedly is like mid 400 as a tire. So he's probably just going to be out here just laying D to everybody. I want to line up with that 2020 S1000. I don't know. I'll just see what I get next to. I mean, so far I've been pretty competitive with the 300 horsepower H2s until like 160, and then after that they just walk me, all with the exception of the 340 horsepower stretched one. That one just absolutely ran. Oh, is it the Hayabusa? I think it is. See how this goes. See if we can get a big end picture here. Oh, he had him! He had him! Done 8 off the Hayabusa. That's that 340 horsepower H2. Said not today! Take the Busa home and put it in the garage. See if he wants to run, maybe. Alright, I'm going to line up with the 2020 S1000. We'll see how this goes. Got him! Oh, Brian took the S1000. That one right there. That is a bad H2. He just took down that Hayabusa. Said, wow! Alright, I'll see if I can line up with Eve again. We only got one run in. I held him off till the very top of the top end, and then he came around me the first time. We'll see what happens this time. 6R1000, S1000RR. Looks like the S1000's got it. I'll see if 5UP wants to get a run. Oh, I think he's got him. Mustang name can't handle. got me. That extended swing arm, man. There's no getting around being able just to hammer it. If I can catch back up to Eve, I'll try to get one with him. Oh, it looks like you're out. Oh, the R1's got it. This thing's a monster. I don't know, man. Even though the weight difference, he was fooling on me top end last time pretty good. Should be a good race here. As long as I can keep it down, I'm going to have to start in second, otherwise it ain't going to work. Don't know what happened. Pulled over for something, they went flying by. 2 other guys are gone. Hey, yeah, come this way, come this way. Flip them around, I'll wait on you. I don't know what happened there. Like half the group got separated. Got enough, okay, I think I got enough battery to get me an Ebe. Did you? It looked like you did. How bad was it? R1 definitely beat the RSV4. I'm trying to get up there with Eve. I was lined up with them and everybody pulled off. That was a good race. I think he missed the shift or something. That's why it was so close. I don't know. But man, that's 2 good runs with him. I'm super stoked on how good this bike is doing against these freaking 300 horsepower monsters, dude. I mean, it's holding its own. I'm not beating the 300 horsepower monsters. I'm beating everything that ain't an H2, I can tell you that. Looks like the S1000 had the Aprilia. Those are some good runs, dude. Man, we are way out on everybody. We might have did a little too much in the throttle, if you know what I mean. I mean, somebody should be racing somewhere. I know for a fact there's at least 12 more motorcycles back there lining up races. Here we go. Round 2. Looks like he got out on the Busa again. Is he reeling him in? I don't think he is. Maybe way up top. I can't tell. But man, he was holding that Busa off. It was even an S1000. Oh, Eve's got it. Here we go. 650 Ebe and the Turbo Busa. Ebe out front, Busa ran him down. Top end, Busa went around. Man, that thing is fast on the top end. Well guys, if my battery dies, this will probably be the end of the video. Came out to Cleveland to run with Ebe and all his friends. And really fast motorcycles. I didn't think I was going to hang with any of them, but this thing surprised me. A lot of it has to do with I'm a lighter guy and I don't lift. So, I mean, a wheelies, whatever. Lots more stuff coming. As always, stay tuned.